So let's start with more functionality on vectors. Let's make a vector. This is a vector with 6 values. What if we have numbers which may not be counted so easily? For that we have a function, very similar function as other programming language has, that is length, and gth and pass x, and you will get the number of elements inside this vector. Also you can find which one is the minimum. For that you use min-x function, and if you wish to find out the maximum one, you can do it by max-x, and you can sum it all, each element. For that you can sum it up, and then you can also find the mean of the element values, mean x. So what you would do, rather, by computing the sum and then dividing by the length, you can directly get it through mean. So let me clear it. We have one matrix or vector called x. Now what if I wish to extract certain value from this vector? For that we have x, then I want value from 2 to 4. Then this 2 is actually the index. It actually happened that we gave number is 1 2 3 4 5 6, but if number would have been different, then this will also work in the similar manner. So 2 3/4, from second to the fourth value, we have actually extracted the subset of the vector. And what I can do is I can subtract, means extract the values by employing certain computation also, like multiplying it by pi. This is how we can get the value. Now how can we create evenly spaced elements in our Matlab? For that, let's make another vector, say x again, then 0 colon 5. What it will do is, let me start with 1. It will give or return me value from 1 to 5. See, a list of value from 1 to 5 with spacing as 1. This is by default. If somebody says no, I don't want from 1 to 5, I really want 1 to 5, but I don't want the spacing of one value, means one number. I want spacing of say 0.5 or 2. See, for that you can make another matrix, started with 0, give a colon, now give the spacing like 0.5. I wish to go to only 3. Okay, let me start with 1 and let me terminate at 3 only, and the spacing should be 0.5 only. This is how we get the value. Again, what we can do is that I can use a function called linspace. Let me make a variable t, and linspace, linspace, round brackets, then 1, say I want to start from 1 and I wish to terminate at say 50, and I need only 5 numbers, 5 evenly spaced numbers. See, we have from 1 to 50 only 5 numbers which are evenly spaced. This is the best and easiest way to actually create evenly spaced element. Now I have two x and y, two vectors. Can I combine them? Yes, we can combine them, which is very easy. Let's say I want add vector, just pass x and pass y, they will be joined. We'll have values from x and y joined together. Can we make a new vector from, say, y? Yes, this is also possible. New vector. What I may do is I may pass, say, y and add certain numbers also. So from here to here we have y, and these two values are which we have added. Now say you know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Then I have, say, mass is equal to, say, certain value 3, 4, 5, and I have acceleration as, say, 4.5, say 1.4, say 0.6. Okay, now I have mass into acceleration. You know force is computed by mass is into acceleration. That I'll do mass into acceleration. This is not going to give you answer. You know what is the problem? There will be error because you need actually ACC transpose. So there will be error. No problem with that. But we need to find out the force. For that we need to use the dot function. So mass comma ACC. But again, the result is not we would have expected. This is a scalar product, but we want that 3 should be multiplied by 4.5, and this result should be, assigned to force vector as the first value. Then 4 into 1.4, that will be the second value. For that, what I can do? I have a simple solution for that. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. No problem with that. Similar thing, just add a dot in front of star, that is multiplication sign, and you will get the answer. Okay, this is the simplest way. Now if I wish to divide element by element, then also we have a solution. Though mass divided by acceleration is not force, I'm just give an example, dividing element by element. So this is how our mass, every value of mass will be divided by each and every value of ACC corresponding value exactly. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself.